Hey, how's it going, everyone? I was kindly sent these car seat covers for my review from Elantrip, and these are designed to fit most vehicles such as pickup trucks and cars and SUVs. I have a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup truck that I'm going to be test fitting these on for this review. So let's go ahead and get these out of the package and I'll give you guys a closer look. Okay, so in this kit you're going to get 4 pieces. Basically it's the 2 headrest covers and then your 2 main seat covers for your front seats of your vehicle. So these are pretty cool. These are going to be just attached by these straps here on the headrest. That's nice. The leather material is a faux leather, but it still feels nice. It's got a nice padding to it. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the seat covers here. Okay, so here is a closer look at the threads. So the stitching is really nice, and I like that they have a little accent stripe here. So this one is in red, pretty cool. And I noticed they have some printing here on the headrest. So they've done that just for this particular sample that they gave to me. But it kind of gives you an idea. You could customize yours. You could put a logo here or personalize it yourself. So overall, the stitching and the quality of the seat cover looks really nice. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the other side of the seat cover. One thing I noticed here is it has like a non-slip grippy material here, so that when your seat cover is installed, it doesn't slide around on the seat. Up here towards the front, they've got 2 little pockets, so you can maybe put a cell phone in here, extra gadgets and accessories, or a cell phone cord for storage, so that's pretty neat. And then as far as holding this to the vehicle, you've got the hooks here for the front, you've got hooks for the left and right side, and then we've got 2 seat anchors here. And then up towards the top, we've got a strap here for attaching it around the headrest. So overall, it looks really simple. So let's go out to the car and we'll go ahead and install this. Okay, so here we are at my truck, and these are the seats that I'm going to be putting those seat covers on, just to kind of give you an idea what they look like before and then after. They also give you the instructions here, so it kind of tells you what all you need to do. So basically, you get your hooks at the front, hooks on the side, the seat anchors back here, and then the headrest strap here, and then the headrest cover itself. So pretty easy to follow, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so to get started, I'm just going to go ahead and get the front of this kind of started on the front of the truck seat here, like that. Just pull that down a little bit. Go ahead and get one of the hooks here. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on this side, and then I'll do the other hook real quick. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to go up to the front here, and I've got these 2 hooks here. I'm just going to attach them to part of the frame underneath of my seat. So, grab it like that. There's the first one. And the second one. So those are nice and sturdy now. The next thing we're going to work on is these 2 seat anchors. Basically, you're just going to slide them in between the 2 parts of your seat here. So I'm going to slide them in like this, and I'm going to reorientate them to where they're kind of standing up. That way they can't be pulled out, and that's kind of how they're going to anchor it into the seat. So let's do that. If you need to, you can also get inside the vehicle from the back side of the seat, and you can reorientate them that way as well. But for me, I can do it from this position pretty easily. So that's all you gotta do, and now those don't come out. So the bottom of the seat is anchored that way. Okay, now the next step is going to be using these straps around the headrest. So I went ahead and raised my headrest up a little bit. So I'm going to get into the back seat and attach these from that position. Alright, so now that we got the headrest up and out of the way, we can attach these 2 clips here. So real simple. Just do like that, and then put it in place like that. So now we are ready to add the headrest covers. Alright, so I got the headrest cover started here, and basically you put these 2 straps on kind of in an X pattern. So let me flip the second one on, just like that. So there you go. So the headrest cover is on nice and secure, and now you can lower your headrest and kind of tuck those parts in. Just go like that, and good to go. Okay, so I repeated the process on the passenger side, so I've got both seat covers installed. So here's a closer look at what they look like when they're all done. So here is the headrest, and then the seat cover itself. So it actually fits pretty good on my truck here. And down here where the strap is, you can see that the buttons are easily accessible. The strap kind of goes right between my power seat buttons. And if you have side airbags in your car, the airbags are not impeded by the seat cover either, so that's really nice. And we'll take a look here towards the front here where the pockets are. So, really good fitment. Let me take a look at the passenger side now. And everything seems to be looking good as far as fitment goes on the passenger side as well. Take a look here at the side where the buttons are for the power seat controls. So good clearance with the strap there as well. Real nice. And then give you a better look here towards the front where the pockets are. So overall real good there. Okay, so install is finished up for both of the seats here. It looks really nice, really comfy. I sat in these and they are really comfy. And also just to remind you guys that the lettering here was something that the manufacturer added just for the sample, just for me for this review. So normally there's nothing there. But just to give you an idea, you could customize these if you have these yourself. So kind of a neat idea. So if you're looking for some seat covers to add a little protection to some of the high wear and tear areas of your vehicle, or just to kind of change up the interior look of your car, I would highly recommend you guys check these out.